I get this question a lot. What's my favorite way to cook a steak? In my opinion, the reverse sear works the best. So today, I'll be teaching you guys how to reverse sear your steak. First, you'll need some salt. Today I'm using a grinder and I grind a generous amount of salt on it, and everyone should always be generous with their salting. Always season both sides so then everything is even. We'll get to pepper later, just salt for the time being. It is also recommended to use a meat thermometer. I'm using this probe thermometer that can just come out like this, and you can poke the meat and that will give you your temperature. Now I set my oven to grill mode, and also set your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius. Now what you can do is take your beautifully seasoned steaks and just put them on this rack shown in the video. Now after you've done them on the rack, just place them on like a tray or something that will go in the oven. Now what you can do is crush some garlic like shown in the video. Just hold your knife over the garlic and just press down. This will ensure the flavor flows out of the garlic without chopping it up. Now what I do is I position the crushed garlic on top of the steaks, just like the one shown in the video. So I normally place one on the cap and one on the bottom, and that's how I do it. Now after placing the garlic on the steaks, I like to put some rosemary on the steaks, so just follow what I do in the video and you should be fine. Yay, time for the oven. I like to put my steaks in the middle so they don't overcook and also get burnt, and they also don't undercook as well. These steaks has now reached an internal temperature of 115 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, there is no crust on it whatsoever, so the only thing I can fix it with is cast iron. Time to give it that crust, baby. Now you can put your cast iron skillet over heat and also set your timer to a minute, as that's how long we will be searing each side for. Now you can just chuck some oil in and let it heat up. Now this is what you should hear when you place your steak down on the pan. Yeah, that is such a good sizzle. It will definitely give it that beautiful golden brown crust that we're looking for. My timer just went off, so that means it's time to flip. Wow, look at that crust. That is actually freaking insane. Now I'm just throwing the garlic and the rosemary back in, and then adding a bit of butter so I can do some butter basting. Now what you want to do is wrap the handle and then use a spoon and then just baste the steak with the butter and everything. So just scoop up and then throw it back onto the steak. Now after you basted the steak, it's time to sear the sides. So literally just lift it up and tilt it on its side, and then it should just sear the sides evenly. Here comes the hardest bit of the whole video. You have to let it rest. So take a bit of tin foil, just cover them up and let it take a nap for around 10 minutes. Now after the 10 minutes is up, it's time to cut. All you gotta do now is take a straighted edge knife and first cut away the bone. This is pretty easy to do. Now what you want to do is cut against the grain like I'm doing in the video. Okay, now you see when I fan them out, just like this, you can tell that I cooked it perfectly rare to medium rare, and that is exactly how I do it. Look at that beautiful crust, and then look at that rare center, aka medium rare. That is just perfection at its best. Okay guys, so I've finished this steak and it is perfect medium rare, and it has a beautiful crust on the outside as you see, and we also got a mashed potato created by Alan here. So let's go. Alan, do you want to just go for it?
Oh yeah, sure.
Alright, come on. Let's see how this tastes.
Well,
Is that good or is that bad?
perfectly.
Bruh! This is so freaking good. I'm going for my second one.
You should be a cook.
Bruh, he likes it. It's incredibly tender. Also, this is garlic chip. That is also done perfect. Mashed potato, I'll try.
This will be the best.
Alright.
Oh, it's perfect.
Oh my god.
Well, actually. Bro, I'm going.
That mashed potato is actually insane.
Well, actually.
It's so creamy. Okay, no.
It's just like
This is too good. Alright. I'm gonna try a perfect combo. I'm gonna get a bit of steak. Top it off with a bit of mashed potato. You do this as well, come on.
Oh, okay. Just for the content.
No, actually, yeah. Alright. And then
I'm Asian. I
gonna
don't know
wait
how
for
to use
you.
a fork and knife.
I'm gonna wait for you.
Bro, there's literally blood.
It's not blood, it's a protein, alright. Scoop a bit of, it's actually protein, I'm not kidding.
Wait,
Search
actually?
it up, Google that up. Alright. Alright, you
Like
ready?
that?
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Now that is how you cook a steak. Reverse sear in the oven. Then you go for the cast iron. Give it that beautiful crust. Man. This is insane. That is how you reverse sear a steak. See you in the next one.
Subscribe and like.
Good job.